Good afternoon, bacha body. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Afternoon, everyone. Audio, video clear, bacha? Good afternoon, Naragni, Srisha. Audio, video clear? Because we will start. We will not wait for everybody to join. Okay, ठीक है. चलो, the last class I think we discussed dot product, है ना? Complete dot product we have done. Dot product is also known as a scalar product. Dot product, then we did the application of dot product. Two application I told you. One to find angle between vectors, then to find component of one vector along another vector. ठीक है? The second part was little bit on the tougher side, but we have done some numerical, and you guys have done well. है ना? You have replied. Yeah, it's a last online class. ठीक है. After that, है ना? We are also excited. I'm also excited कि you will come to offline. Then थोड़ा we will go a little bit harder this year due to our last paper 2025. Till now we were holding ourselves. And yeah, this concept I should not tell, it will go bouncer. But this year we have to play some bouncers also. Okay? Chala. Start करते बच्चा. Cross product, also known as vector product. Let's say there are again two vectors, A vector, B vector, having magnitude small a, small b, angle between them theta. Angle between them theta. Then cross product is written as A cross B. है ना? Dot product, then A vector dot B vector, cross product A vector cross B vector. ठीक है? But it is going to be a vector quantity. It is going to be a vector quantity. So its magnitude is defined as AB sin theta. But understand, bacha, this is the magnitude, correct? This is the magnitude. AB sin theta is magnitude. But I told you it is a vector product. So if it is a vector product, means final thing should be a vector quantity. Right now it is not looking like a vector quantity. है ना? So to make it a vector quantity, what we should add, what we should multiply? Come on, tell me first. Those who are present, please tell me. To make it a vector quantity, what we should multiply to the magnitude? Come on, what we should multiply to the magnitude so that it becomes a vector quantity? Anyone? Very good. Ramya, that is correct. We should multiply a unit vector. Correct. We should multiply a unit vector. Now that unit vector like I cap, j cap, k cap. But I don't know what will be the direction of A cross B. We don't know what will be the direction of A cross B. It will be along x axis, y or z or anywhere else. Okay? That's why we are going to call it eta cap. Any name you can give. Any name. So we are calling it eta. If you want, you can write n also. T. Anything. U, V, X, Y, Z, whatever. Don't use X, Y, Z because it will send a wrong message that it is along X axis or Y or Z. Okay? So generally all of us write eta cap. Okay? Now it is looking like a vector quantity. So if someone asks you what is the magnitude of A cross B, then I don't have any problem. I can write AB sin theta. Only magnitude is AB sin theta. But A cross B, if you want to write, then you have to write AB sin theta into a unit vector, eta cap. Okay? That means the direction of A cross B will be along eta cap. So what is the direction? What is the direction of A cross B? direction of A cross B or eta cap. So direction is perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. Perpendicular to both A vector and B vector, and this is most important point. Okay? Remember, A cross B is supposed to be perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. Now tell me, if a line has to be perpendicular to two remaining lines, है ना? ठीक है? A cross B has to be perpendicular to both A and B. So it is only possible when A cross B will be perpendicular to the entire plane containing A vector and B vector. Again, I will repeat. A cross B will have to be perpendicular to the plane containing A vector and B vector. Why I am saying this? Understand? Sir, let's draw like this. A vector, let's say कि A cross B is perpendicular to A vector. So I will draw like this, perpendicular to A vector. What is the problem, sir? Problem is, then this A cross B will not be perpendicular to B vector. It will make a 90 plus theta angle. Correct? Now, the moment if you try to make it perpendicular to B vector, you try to make it perpendicular to B vector, something like this. But this will not be perpendicular to, this is perpendicular to B vector, but not perpendicular to A vector. I hope you are understanding my point. Okay, that means A cross B cannot lie in the same plane of A and B. If you try to draw it in the same plane of A vector and B vector, then it may be perpendicular to one, but then it will not be perpendicular to the another one. I hope this point is clear. Then, sir, where we should make it? You should make it perpendicular to the plane containing. Means in 3D, please try to visualize. Let's say this is a plane in which there is A vector, there is B vector, then A cross B. Let's say this is A vector, this is B vector, then A cross B. You have to imagine here that this is also 90, and this is also 90. Both angles are 90 degree. Okay? Because if A vector and B vector are in the plane, I'm drawing A vector, B vector on my hand, then A cross B is something like this, perpendicular to the plane. I hope it is clear now. A cross B is perpendicular to the plane containing A vector and B vector. So I can write here that is perpendicular to plane containing, because this is the only way in which A cross B can be perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. This is the only way. Okay? Clear till here, bacha? Tell me, come on fast. Any doubt till here? Come on, jaldi. You can ask me if you have any doubt till here. Shall we go ahead then? हाँ ना कुछ तो बोल भाई. है कोई? Anyone there? Okay. ठीक है. चलो आगे चलते हैं. Good. But I have one doubt. You don't have any doubt, but I have one doubt. कि sir, perpendicular to the plane containing, why you have taken in upward direction? Why you are not taking in downward direction? Because downward direction is also perpendicular to both A and B, na? Understand, na? If this A vector and B vector is drawn on my hand, on my palm, then I'm saying A cross B is upward. A cross B can be downward also, na? Because perpendicular, this is also perpendicular and this is also perpendicular. That means it doesn't give the complete picture. This line is not giving the complete picture. So to get the complete picture, we use a rule to find the direction of A cross B. Very famous rule. We call it right hand thumb rule. What is right hand thumb rule? Extend the right arm in the direction of first vector. Extend the right arm in the direction of first vector. Keep the palm facing towards second vector. Curl fingers and then thumb will point towards A cross B. Then thumb will point towards A cross B. Okay. Extend the right arm in the direction of first vector. Keep the palm facing towards second vector. Curl fingers, and then thumb will point towards A cross B. This is simple right hand thumb rule. 2-3 steps are there. Little steps are there. Okay. But going further, I would like to say, this is right direction, left direction. This is upward, this is downward. These 4 directions we know, right? Right, left, up, down. More direction I want you to remember like this, because we have to imagine here in 3D. One will be this dot and another will be cross. Kept inside a circle. This we say outward direction. This we say outward direction, and this one we say inward direction. Outward means the line which is perpendicular to the board. Both here, the line will be perpendicular to the board. Here also line will be perpendicular to the board. But this one will be coming outward towards you. This one will be coming towards you outward. And this one will be going inside, means away from you. This is towards the observer. This is away from the observer. Clear hai? You can remember like this. If you consider it like an arrow. Okay? So if an arrow is coming towards you, so if an arrow is coming towards you, it will look like a dot. Correct? I hope you understand this. But if an arrow is going away from you, means you have shot an arrow and the arrow is going away from you, then back of the arrow will be looking like a cross. S.C. Verma way. Okay? S.C. Verma sir has told in this manner. To remember in this manner. Clear, bacha? So this is outward and this one is inward. Okay? Now we have all 6 directions. Actually in 3D we'll have to visualize like this. Something like this. This is perpendicular. This one is perpendicular. All 3 are perpendicular, correct? So this is right side, x-axis. This is upside, y-axis. This one, z-axis is, I hope you can imagine this. This z-axis is not in the plane. It is perpendicular, means it is outward. It is outward. Okay? It is outward. So let's say we have to find cross product. Let's say this is A vector, this is B vector. Here it is A cross B vector. Please understand it better. Let's say this one is right side. This one is inward, है ना? This one is right side, this one is inward. A vector is right side, B vector is inward. We have to find the direction of A cross B. We have to find the direction of A cross B. ठीक है? So according to right hand thumb rule, what does the rule says? Rule says, bacha, extend the right arm in the direction of first vector. Now, what do you mean by first vector, second vector? First vector means we are doing A cross B. So if you are doing A cross B, then A is first, B is second. That is the meaning of first and second. A vector is first, B vector is second. So what they are saying, extend the right arm in direction of first vector. So first vector is right, to extend your right arm, extend your right arm in the direction of A vector. So I will extend, if I go in this manner, so I will extend this towards right. Right arm, it's a right hand thumb rule. So you have to, so if you are lefty, if you are lefty, then you have to be a little bit conscious here. Don't use left hand, use your right hand. So A vector, the arm extended in the direction of A vector, first vector. Now please understand, I can extend the arm like this. See the palm, arm is right. Again, arm is right, arm is right, arm is right in all possible scenario, right? But we can change the orientation of the hand. We can rotate the hand like this, but the hand is towards right side only, right? Hand is towards A vector, but the palm is inward, palm is upward, palm is downward, palm is outward. So you can keep your palm in multiple directions. While your hand is towards right, but you can keep your palm in multiple orientation. You can rotate your hand 360 degree like this, correct? Or yes, like this is hand in front, but palm is facing up, palm is facing down, palm is facing left, palm is facing right. So while hand is outward, but palm I can keep in multiple direction, correct? Now, where we should keep the palm? Keep the palm facing towards second vector. Keep the palm facing towards second vector. Where is second vector? Inward. So while your hand is right, but if you keep your palm like this, so palm is facing upward. No, the palm should face inward. So that means this palm should face inward. This palm should face inward. Okay? This is the correct orientation. This is the correct orientation. I hope you understand this. Now curl finger, then thumb. Thumb is coming upward. Thumb is coming upward. Okay? So the direction of A cross B, is upward. This is a little bit tough thing, but you have to go through it because it will be used. In magnetism, it will be used. In rotation also, it will be used. Next. Chalo. I want, sir, which one is positive, outward or inward? Conventionally, outward we take positive. You can take any one positive, but conventionally we take outward as positive. Just like right side we take positive. No one can force you, but by convention, right is positive. By convention, up is positive, down is negative. So same by convention, outward is positive. Okay? Chalo, tell me the direction of A cross B in this case. Come on, fast, bacha badi. Tell me right, left, up, down, inward, outward. Like that, you can give me the answer. Please practice. Please practice. Don't say north, south better. Okay, you can say north, south, no problem. ठीक है, नॉर्थ मीन्स इनवर्ड, नॉर्थ मीन्स इनवर्ड यू आर सेइंग. Ramya, you think inward, inward. Harshita, outward. Hemant, inward. Okay, let's check. Come on, hand. Extend your right arm. Arm should be first vector upward. So arm should be like this up. है ना, hands up in the air. ठीक है, arm should be in upward direction. Now, arm is up. ठीक है, this I can extend like this, but it will go outside the view. ठीक है, outside the frame. So please understand, I'm keeping like this. Arm is up. Now I can place like this. है ना? I can place like this. See, arm is up only. This palm is facing outward. Palm is facing right. है ना? Your right, my left, and this one inward, and this one left side. ठीक है, whatever. So arm is up, but the palm should be right. The palm should be right, so it will be like this. Correct? Arm is up, but the palm is right. Palm is right. Curl it. So if you curl it, it will go inward. It will go inward. Next. Tell me the answer. Come on. Okay, Naragini saying left, Ramya left, Hemant left, minus I cap. Okay, left, left. So if everybody is saying left, then left must be correct. है ना? Chalo, the public can never be wrong. But see here, let's check. This one is outward. This one is outward. So basically, you will be doing like this, outward, है ना? Backside. But you don't need to break your hand. What you can do, you can rotate a little bit and place your hand in this direction. Right? You don't need to do like this. Okay? Little bit rotate your body and place your hand in outward direction. Outward direction. Okay? But I can place my hand like this. But now palm is facing up. They also want up. I can place the palm left, down, right. Correct? But they want palm to be facing in upward direction. Okay? So this is upward direction. Curl finger. Now the thumb is in left direction. Very good. Now I want you to practice more. What you do, bacha buddy? You find the direction of B cross A. Again, B cross A. This time you have to find B cross A. So in case of B cross A, first vector will be B vector. First vector will be B vector. Like if first one I tell you, arm should be in inward direction. So in this direction. Arm should be in this direction. Okay? Visible? Okay? Now arm is in this direction, but the palm is facing up. No, we want palm to be facing right. Arm inward, but palm right. Arm inward, palm right. I hope it is making sense. Curl it. Where is the thumb? It is down. In this case, arm right, palm up. Arm will be right, palm will be up, outward. Similarly, here arm will be up, but palm will be outward. Arm will be up, palm will be outward. If you curl it, it will be right. So one interesting thing you can see in the direction of B cross A and A cross B, they are just opposite, up, down, inward, outward, left, right. So one thing is clear from here, कि A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Direction, magnitude wise be equal, but direction wise they are opposites, hence they are not equal. Okay, like A dot B equal to B dot A, correct? But here A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Now, or you can write A cross B equal to negative of B cross A. You can write like this. A cross B equal to negative of B cross A. Clear, bacha? Another thing which you should remember, since we are discussing this point, A vector cross B vector plus C vector. A vector cross, focus on the study. A cross B vector plus C vector equal to, first you multiply A cross B. First you multiply A cross B, A and B. Then, just like normal mathematics, normal algebra, plus, then plus sign. A cross C. ठीक है? A cross B plus A cross C. ठीक है बच्चा पढ़ी? We will do numerical based on this also. चलो. Tell me beta, what will be the value of I cross I? Can you tell me? I cross I. What is the value of I cross I? So I cross I, so it will become A, B, since they are parallel, so it will be 0. It will be 0, sine 0. Sine 0 is 0. So that means I cross I will be 0. I cross I will be 0. Okay? Similarly, J cross J will be also 0 and K cross K will be also 0. Okay? It means what? It means कि if A cross B is 0, then theta is either 0 degree or 180 degree. Tell me, if the angle is 0 degree or 180 degree, what we call such a set of vectors? Come on. If two vectors making angle 0 degree or 180 degree, we call them very good. Ramya, very good. We call them what kind of vectors? Come on, everyone. Those who are active, please tell me. Correct. It is known as collinear vectors. If you remember from second lecture, collinear vectors. Because collinear vectors means either parallel or anti-parallel. ठीक है? So what we can remember कि cross product of collinear vectors is always 0. Cross product of collinear vectors is always 0. Remember it. And how to check collinear vector? If you remember how to check collinear vector, the ratio of x component, y component and z component will be equal. If the ratio is equal and positive, parallel, ratio are equal, and a ratio is equal and but negative value, that equal value is negative value, then it is anti-parallel. Okay? Chalo. What will be I cross J? Bacha padi, what will be I cross J? Hana? So please understand, first of all, let me draw this. This is x axis, this is y axis, this is z axis. X, y, z. Z you can represent either like this or simply you can represent z like this. Okay? Now I cross J. So I is right side, J is upside. So I is right side, J is upside. Means arm will be right, palm will be up, cross product, it will be outward. Outward means positive K. So I cross J is K. Similarly, if I ask you what will be J cross I, so obviously answer will be minus K. No need to tell you again, है ना? Because A cross B equal to negative of B cross A. चलो 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 भाई. Next, what will be I cross K? What will be I cross K? Come on, help. I cross K. Naragini, correct. Ramesh Babu, correct. No. Sri, Srita, Shrisa, I think it is wrong. It should not be J, it should be minus J. It should be minus J. Let's check, I don't know. Let's check. I cross K. I is right side. I is right side and K is outward. That means hand or arm will be right, but the palm will be outward. Palm will be outward, then down. And down means minus J. Then what will be K cross I? Obviously, it will be plus J. Then we have J cross K. J cross K, come on, help me. J cross K. Practice it. J cross K. J is up, so arm will be up. K should be out. So arm up, but the palm should be out. So if you curl it, it will be right side. Right side means I cap. So what will be then K cross J? Minus I cap. Okay? So these 6 and 3. So if I, so sir, means every time I will have to do like this right hand thumb rule, or can I, there is any trick to remember it? Obviously there is a trick to remember it. You arrange I, J, K in a cyclic order. Okay, let's say there is I over here, J over here. So you have to go in a cycle. I, J, K, I, J, K, I, J, K. You are going in a cycle. Okay? Now, if you are going in a, second thing, if you are taking I cross J, then you should understand the answer will be either K or minus K. I cross J can never be I. I cross J can never be J. So I cross J will be either K or minus K. So confusion should be only in plus or minus sign, nothing else. First of all, this should be clear. Okay? Now, whether to put plus sign or minus sign, what is the trick? Remember this cycle, I, J, K, I, J, K, I, J, K. Okay? Clockwise, anti-clockwise doesn't make any difference. But I, J, K, I, J, K. So if you are taking the cross product in this cyclic order, so you will put a positive. You will put positive. Means what? Means I cross J with the cycle. I cross J with the cycle. J cross K with the cycle. K cross I with the cycle. You can check here. I cross J. I cross J means you are going with the cycle. That's why it's plus. But J cross I. J cross I means from J to I, you are going against the cycle. So if you are going against the cycle, it will be negative. I cross k, this is I, and k is here, means you are going from I to k, है ना? From I to k, so you are going against the cycle, that's why negative. But k cross I with the cycle, j cross k, this is j, this is k, j to k, ठीक है? But k cross j will be negative. This is how you remember. Okay, bachapadi, clear till here? So if you are going in the cycle I, j, means I cross j, j cross k, k cross I, these three will be positive. I cross j, I cross j, j cross k, and k cross I, these three will be positive. But if you are going against the cycle, like j cross I, negative, I cross k, negative, and k cross j, negative. Okay? Chalo, let's see. If a vector is given as 2i cap, b vector is given as 3k cap, tell me what will be the value of a cross b? Tell me what is the value of a cross b? We will start with very simple numerical first. A vector is 4i cap, b vector is minus 3j cap. Tell me what will be b cross a? Okay. Minus 6j cap is correct answer. So how to do it? Simple. First you multiply the numbers 2 into 3, 6. Multiply the number 2 into 3, 6. Then focus here. A cross B. That means you have to do I cross K. I cross K. K cross I is with the cycle. I cross K is opposite to the cycle. So it will be minus J. So it will become minus 6J cap. The second one, B cross A. Minus 3 into 4 will be minus 12. Minus 3 into 4 will be minus 12. Okay? Now, since minus I have already taken here, now I will do J cross I. Because B cross A, na? J cross I. So J cross I is minus K. So minus 12 minus K cap, which you can write plus 12 K cap. Very good. Nice. ठीक है? आगे चले? A vector is 3i cap. B vector is 4i cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Tell me A cross B. Tell me A cross B. चलो 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 भाई, one answer. Minus 6k minus 9j. Okay, you are no matter. This is I. This is I. This is I. This one is j. Okay. Why I will write both j? I will subtract it now. The common answer is minus 6k minus 9j. Okay. हाँ भाई देखो, तो सिंपल मैथमेटिक्स मल्टीप्लाई I with I, then I with J, then I with K. Keep it simple. So everybody knows कि I cross I will be 0. That means कि out of three terms, one term will be 0. Now if you multiply 3 and here minus 2, so 3 and minus 2 multiplication will be minus 6. I cross J, then you will do I cross J. No need to write this, but since it's the initial stage, I'm writing it. 3 into 3 will be plus 9. 3 into 3 plus 9. Then I cross K, because they are saying A cross B. है ना? This mistake you can do. You can do B cross A sometimes. है ना? Means if they ask B cross A, you might be doing A cross B only. Sir, ये पहले लिखा. This was written first, so I will go first to second. No. You have to check here. They're asking A cross B or B cross A. Never do such mistake. Okay. Then I cross K. I will write here I cross K for a better understanding. Next time I will do it fast. So I cross J, everybody knows it's K. And I cross K is minus J. So better way to write it, minus 9J minus 6K. No problem with this one, but generally the format should be first I, second J, third K. Okay, very good. A lot of you have given the answer. Yeah, acha nahi. Okay. Kavya is posting same answer multiple times. Okay. Chalo, increasing the level now. Slowly. Dot product was easier, I think. Now you must be feeling that dot product was good, sir. Correct? Chalo. A vector is 2i cap minus 5j cap. B vector is 3i cap plus j cap. Do A cross B. Acha, one more thing. Sometimes they might be interested in A cross B mod. है ना? Magnitude of A cross B. Then don't do something like this, ki find magnitude here and multiply. First find A cross B like this. And then take the magnitude under root 81 plus 36. 9 square 81, 6 square 36, or minus 9 square minus 6 square, whatever. Which will be under root 711. Okay? So magnitude will be under root 117. So Smita, second year, okay, and I didn't need marks, no problem. In a local area, no, take care of your health first. Health comes first, because if you are healthy, then only you can do NEET, JEE, this and that. Okay? So take care of your health first. That should be the priority. Best of luck. चलो भाई, यहाँ देखते. So normal multiplication, how to multiply by? So first I will multiply 2 and 3. So 2 and 3, 6, but I cross I will be 0. Now multiply this one. So 2 into 1, 2. And I cross j will be k. We will write it directly. 2 into 1, 2. I cross j will be k. Now minus 5 into 3 will be minus 15. Minus 5 into 3 will be minus 15. But j cross I, because we are multiplying like this, j cross I will be minus k, so minus and minus will become plus, and then 5 minus 5 into 1 minus 5, but j cross j will become 0, so 2 terms. Out of, we were supposed to get 4 terms, but out of those 4 terms, 2 terms are 0, so we are getting 17 k cap. One more like this. Okay, first answer, Dikshit has given first answer. Kavya. Please make a habit of writing I cap, then j cap, then k cap. Huh? Please maintain the order. It looks elegant. Otherwise, there is no problem. No, but it looks elegant if you write first I, then j, then k. Now we are getting multiple answers. Multiple and different answers. Chalo, jaldi. We have to practice. Now, after giving this 2 and 2, now I will give you order of 3. Okay. Chalo. Now answers are coming fast. Means most of you have done. So first of all, take care. It's B cross A. It's not A cross B. It is B cross A. So you have to go from here to here. Okay. So I cross I will be 0. No need to do. Now we should multiply this and this. I cross J. So 4 into 2 will be 8. And I cross J. Don't do J cross I. I cross J will be K. I cross J will be K. After that, this one is done. Now minus 3k we will multiply. So minus 3 into 7 will be minus 21. And k cross I will be J. K cross I will be J. Okay. After that we will multiply this also. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. And k cross J will be, I think, minus I. Minus I. So the answer is 6 I cap minus 21 j cap plus 8 k cap. ठीक है? चलो, okay. If someone asks you, tell me the magnitude of B cross A or A cross B, both are same thing. So you should say under root 6 square plus 21 is how much? 21 square is 441. And it is 64. We have to check. And whatever is the answer. Okay. I think it is under root 541. Because 64 plus 36 will be 100. 100 plus 441 will be 541. ठीक है बच्चा बाड़ी? A vector is 3i minus 2j plus 5k. B vector is 4i plus j minus 2k. Find A cross B. Find A cross B. Because this is the last level. When both A vector and B vector will have all I, j and k terms, this is the last level. Okay? It cannot be tougher than this. Take your time. First answer we have got, we will check. First answer we have got. Kavya, beta, add all the I, j and k terms. There will not be 6 terms. I and I you should add, j and j you should add, and similarly you should go for k and k. Sujit, add all the terms, beta. If there are, okay, you have written 9. Okay, ठीक है, चल. Let's see. So A cross B, bhai, then I with I will be 0, I cross I will be 0. Then I cross J, first of all 3 into 1. 3 into 1. 3 into 1 will be 3. I cross J will be K. 3 into minus 2. 3 into minus 2 will be minus 6. I cross k will be, I think, minus j. है ना? I cross k will be minus j because it is against the cycle. Minus 2 into 4 will be minus 8. J cross I will be minus k. Minus minus will become plus. J cross j will be 0. Minus 2 into minus 2 will be plus 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 will be plus 4. And j cross k will be I. Then 5 into 4 will be 20. 20. And k cross I will be plus j. Then 5 into plus 1 will be plus 5. But k cross j will be minus I, k cross k will be 0. So all I terms, first of all, we will see. Minus 5 plus 4 will be minus I. है ना? And then 26 j cap plus 11 k cap. Any answer matching with this? Yes. Yes. ठीक है. Good. So this is the last level. Last level means it cannot be, है ना, more complicated than this. Okay, bacha body, 3 terms in A vector, 3 terms in B vector, and then we have to multiply. Okay. Now we will do some more numericals, but first of all, see what are the applications of cross product. The first application is, although we are not going to use it in physics part, okay, to find area of a triangle. To find area of a triangle. Bacha body, any type of triangle is given. Any type of triangle is given. And let's say it is given A vector, B vector, C vector. Okay? So area of triangle is half of cross product of, since we are interested in magnitude, so half of A cross C or half of A cross B or half of B cross C. Since we are only interested in magnitude, so it doesn't matter you are doing A cross C or C cross A, because when you will take the magnitude, it will not matter. Okay? That's why you can write here C cross A also. Doesn't matter. So what I'm saying, if you know the sides in vector form, any two sides, you don't need to know 3 sides. Any 2 sides, if you know, any 2 sides, take the cross product, find the magnitude of the cross product, and then take half. Simple. Like so many questions we have done. Like this question, I can change the question and I can say कि the 2 sides of a triangle, है ना, 2 out of 3 sides of a triangle is given as this and this. Find area of triangle. Find area of triangle. Whose 2 sides are given by these 2 vectors. So what we will do? We will do this. After finding A cross B, we will find magnitude of A cross B, which will be under root 1 plus 26 square will be 676 plus 121. So it will become 6 to 8, 7 to 9, and 617. Okay? Then area we will say it is half 798. Okay, bacha badi? I'm not giving you some another question because again we have to do cross product. We have done a lot of cross product. So I'm using this example. I'm using this example and making it a new question. Okay? So simple, A vector, B vector will be given, and then you will be told that these are the 2 sides of a triangle. Any 2 sides. Okay? Find the area of triangle. Take the cross product. Find the magnitude. Take half. हो जाएगा. The second application. To find area of a parallelogram. Now, if you remember, I told you the area of a parallelogram is nothing but, parallelogram is nothing but two triangles are there, correct? In a parallelogram, if you focus here, there are two congruent triangles. Okay, so this A vector and this B vector is given. A vector, B vector, and adjacent side should be given. Adjacent side, because parallel if you take, then cross product will be 0, right? So A vector and B vector should be adjacent side. Okay? So simple, if adjacent side are given, then area of a parallelogram is given as, since triangle area you know, half A cross B, because if this is B vector, you can still call it B vector. You can call it B vector, you can call it A vector. So area of this lower triangle will be half into A cross B mod. This will be also half into A cross B mod. So if you add, it will become half and half will become 1, and simply it is A cross B mod. Sometimes if they give you this D1, if diagonal is given, not the adjacent sides are given, rather diagonals are given, D1 vector and D2 vector. D1 vector and D2 vector. So again you have to do the same thing, D1 vector cross D2 vector, but then you have to take half. So if adjacent sides are given, simply take the cross product and then find the magnitude. But diagonals are given, then take the cross product, then find the magnitude, then take half also. Remember the formula? We do not use these things in physics. Area thing is for mathematics purpose. We are not using it in physics. But since we know how to take the cross product, it doesn't take any time or effort to remember these 2 points, how to find area of triangle or how to find area of parallelogram. But at NEET level, these are not required. But remember it. ठीक है बच्चा? चलो. So let's solve some question. Main type of question we have solved, where I, J, K given, you have to do the cross product. That was the main type of question. Now remaining type of question, let's solve. Let's say two vectors magnitude is given 3, B is given, let's say root 2 by 3, and A cross B, they are saying ki is a unit vector. Then find angle between A vector and B vector. Find angle between A vector and B vector. Next question. A vector dot B vector equal to A cross B mod. Sorry. Same notation we should use. Find angle between A vector and B vector. Simple questions. Good. First 3 answers are there and those are correct. First answer is 45 degree, correct. But A cross B is a unit vector. That means A cross B mod is 1. So we will write AB sine theta is 1. So we will multiply 3 and root 2 by 3. Sine theta is 1, which will give us 3 cancel, which will give us sine theta equal to 1 by root 2. So theta will be 45 degree. Theta will be 45 degree. But in second quadrant also I think it is positive. So theta will be also 135 degree. Two answers will be there. Because in second quadrant, this is positive. Okay. Now second one, because options will be like this: 45 degree, 135 degree, both 1 and 2, and then some 60 degree. Then you should mark both 1 and 2. Otherwise, if you mark only 45, it will be wrong. Because sine 135 is also 1 by root 2. Correct, bacha? Here, A dot B will be AB cos theta, and magnitude of A cross B will be AB sin theta. AB cancel. So we are getting cos theta equal to sin theta. You can divide with cos theta, it will become 1, and sin by cos will become tan. So theta will become 45 degree. Okay? Next question. A vector minus B vector cross A vector plus B vector. Tell me how much it will be. Or do one thing. You prove it that this is equal to. You prove it. This is equal to 2 times A cross B. You prove it. It is equal to 2 times A cross B. Prove it. LHS equal to RHS. Come on. Simplify it. Come on. Anyone? If you prove it, then give a thumbs up. written that. This one. Use this property, bacha. A cross B plus C, na? Multiply like this. Multiply like this. Come on. See here. First of all, we will multiply A vector and A vector. So what we will write? We will write A cross A. Everyone focus. Everyone focus. Okay? Write down A cross A. After that, you will multiply A vector and B vector. So plus and a plus A vector cross B vector. Okay. Then minus B cross A. Minus B cross A. Then minus B cross B. 4 terms will be there. Okay? 4 terms will be there. Then what will happen? A cross A vector and cross product with A vector means both are parallel, right? A vector, if you take cross product with itself, it will become 0 because both will be parallel. So that's why, bacha body, that's why this one will be 0, this one will be 0. Hai, both will be 0. So what will be left? A cross B and minus B cross A. Now what you can write? Minus B cross A. Minus B cross A you can write minus, you can remove with plus, minus you can write plus, and then B cross A you can write A cross B, right? I told you minus B cross A is nothing but A cross B. So if you add it, it will become 2 times A cross B. 2 times A cross B. Proved. Okay? Now if you focus here, this point we have already used. We are used here. Tell me, what is D1 vector? D1 vector, if you remember, in a parallelogram, this resultant D1 vector is nothing but A vector plus B vector, addition of these two diagonal. And second diagonal, I told you, it is a subtraction, which is A vector minus B vector. If you take the cross product of D1 and D2, if you take the cross product of D1 and D2, so the D1 into D2 cross product, so basically it is same question. A cross product of A minus B and A plus B. How much we are getting? 2 times A cross B. So it is 2 times A cross B. Mod dal dete hain because we are only interested in magnitude. Okay, that's why A cross B mod will be half of D1 cross D2. ठीक है? So I hope you understand why this half factor is coming here. Clear, बच्चा बड़ी? I hope it makes sense now. चलो next question. Last question we will keep it. If A vector is 2i minus 4j plus 6k cap, B vector is I cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. Find B and C for which A cross B is 0. For which A cross B is 0. In boys, LT classes will start from tomorrow. Yes, from tomorrow it will start, madam. See what happens now when you delete your message. Now here it comes like message retracted. Yeah, I will be coming to boys campus. Track 1, I will be taking track 1 in boys campus. Chalo, 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 jaldi solve it. See, normally how you like to solve it? Ki sir, A cross B is 0 na. So I will take the cross product and then I will equate it to 0. You can do like that. But that will be little bit, don't you think it will be lengthy? So what we can do? So understand what I told you. If A cross B will be 0, understand? If A cross B is 0, है ना? It means what? It means कि A vector and B vector are collinear. है ना? A vector and B vector are collinear. So if A vector and B vector are collinear, then the ratio of the I, J, K component will be equal. That means here 2, here 1. So it will be 2 by 1 equal to minus 4 by B equal to 6 by C. 2 by 1 minus 4 by B, 6 by C equal. So first you will relate these two, then you will relate these two. Okay, so 2 equal to minus 4 by B, which gives us B equal to minus 2. Similarly, 2 equal to 6 divided by C, so C gives us 3. So minus 2 and 3 is correct answer. है ना? Minus 2 and 3 are correct. For another track in boys campus, Mohit Pandey sir will come. Track 2 will be taken by Mohit Pandey sir. ठीक है बच्चा? So I will keep the discussion till here. This is cross product khatam. This much of numerical is sufficient. For track 3, till now, I don't think there is any planning of track 3. We will continue with 2 track. For now, we will continue with 2 track only, as far as I know. Okay. Now, what I want, bacha, if you thoda sun lo, what I want you to remember at least now a square of numbers from 1 to 30. है ना? Like 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. I want you to go like this till 30. Like 20 square 400, 21 square. See, we use now at one place 21 square. So I have written 441. 26 square at a place it came 26 square 676. I had written here 441. I have used at one place. I have used 676. Clear hai bacha? So I remember, that's why I have used. Correct. So I want you to remember also. Okay. Then cube also you should remember. Cube kahan tak yaad karega? At least remember 1 to 10. If not more, please remember from 1 to 10. Ki 1 cube is 1, 2 cube, 8, 3 cube, 27, 4 cube, and so on and so on. ठीक है बच्चा? Direction of dot product. What I said, बच्चा, dot product is a scalar product. है ना? It is a scalar quantity. Dot product is a scalar quantity. It is not supposed to have any direction. So your question is invalid. Anything else you want to ask, बच्चा body? है ना? Please do this thing. Then you remember, है ना, in Manish sir has told you area, volume, है ना, of different figures or shapes. ठीक है, square area, sphere volume, correct, circle area, rectangle area, perimeter, ठीक है, area volume has been done, okay. So please use these things also, remember these things also, it will be used more frequently, okay bacha buddy. So let's meet tomorrow then, है ना, see you tomorrow guys, those who are coming, and don't be late bacha, if you are planning to join, don't be late, do not wait for anything, okay. If you are at the boundary also, please join. If you get a college, you go to college, है ना, don't worry, okay. So because understand, whatever you are doing right now, okay, if you become a very very good doctor, your next 2-3 generations will be benefited. They don't need to do anything, they will just chill and relax, correct, if you become a very good doctor, okay. So whatever you are doing right now, it is going, your 60-70 years remaining age is there. Let's say you live for 90 years, 100 years, okay. So remaining 60-70 years is remaining, right? So 1 year you can give for the sake of next 60 or 70 years and even more generations to come, correct. So do not wait, yaar, I will join after 3-4 months, I will wait, I will check. Don't do this thing, join wherever you want, but join, okay. Tomorrow what topic? I think introduction class, so we will be doing maths only, okay. After some 1 week or 10 days, we will go with this motion in a straight line and all, okay. Chale then, any more doubt, any more question you have? Online classes are also there, online batch, we form one online batch also. Yes, so there will be an app, I think Sri Gosalites app is there. Class timing we don't have, I think tomorrow it should be in afternoon or evening, afternoon I think, not clear, but after that it will be, day after tomorrow it will be morning, from morning 6:50 or 7 o'clock. Same beta, you will be notified. Boys, I think for 1 month we are going to Porangi 3. For 1 month we are going to Porangi 3. After that we will shift to Penamaluru Campus 1. Every Monday, every Sunday, I think we are having exam. Yes, I will teach this basic thing, like it will be little bit on the faster side. Because 6 lecture on vector we can't afford again. Okay. Yeah, basic I will teach, but little bit faster. Okay. Chalo bhai. Thank you, bacha badi. Thank you for your time and patience. Best of luck to everyone. Chalo, see you tomorrow. Basic will continue till I think 1 more week. और सर क्या हाल है?